Okay, right. Let's look at common prepositions in English. Let's have a look. So about. About. It was a video about the history of Peru. About. Above. Above. My ceiling is above me. Above. After. I will go after you into the castle. You first. After you. I'm looking after the cat. I'm taking care of it. Against. He was against the wall and pressured against the wall. I have her against the wall. He has the opponent against the ropes on the edge. Yeah. Among. Among. The dog is among the pigeons. Amongst. There's all the pigeons and your dog's in the middle somewhere. I am among friends when I go to the party. I'm among family at Christmas. I am surrounded by family. Because when I am at home, at in a three-dimensional space, at home, I'm on my own at home. When I'm at university, then I'm with friends. Yeah. Because of, to explain something. Because of work, I'm on my own at home. Because of the market, there's plenty of buying opportunities. Because of YouTube, I can create more videos. Because of something. Because of my decisions in the past, I'm doing what I'm doing now. But before, yeah, before. The price moves before the news reports on it. I was recording more videos before I was recording this one. Before. And behind. I will be behind you all the way to the pyramid. What is behind me? My whiteboard is behind me. Behind. My bookcase is behind me. My books is behind me. What's behind me? Oh, nothing. Nothing. Or below. Below. The cat is hiding below the sofa. Below. Below. What's below my desk? Oh, just cables. Cables and carpet. Ah. Yeah. Between. The car is between the tree and the garage. Between. 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 I am between a window and bookshelf. Between and. I will leave between 7 and 9. I will arrive between 6 and 5 minutes past. So 5 and 10 past. She will be here between 9 and 10 p.m. Yeah. By, like something will happen by a certain date. Something happening, waiting, happen by next Friday. I will pay by Friday. I will have recorded this video by midday, by 10 past. I will have spoken to her by Monday morning. Yeah. Now, in spite of something happening, something achieved. They are talking to me despite the fact I don't like them. So even though I don't like them, even though I don't, despite that, they're still talking to me. I am talking to her despite the fact she was very rude to me. I'm talking to her despite the fact I really shouldn't. During. You came here during a major festival. Something's happening ongoing and you arrive in the middle of it. Or something's happening at the same time, during. Like while. I will be there during the festival. I'm going to be there during the middle of August. Yeah, exactly. Then we have due to. The clock is not working due to the fact that it's broken. I am recording videos due to me wanting to grow a YouTube channel. I am teaching English due to my knowledge in English and grammar and teaching ability. Yeah. Except for. We're all here except for Jessica. Where's Jessica? She's missing. Everyone else is here. We're all here except Jessica. I have all the books except for the last two. Yeah. I have been to every country in Europe except for Switzerland. All of them except Switzerland. Following. Oh. I was following them to the party. The cat is following the mouse. She's following me, or she's following my lead as we dance. She's following my lead. I was following her. No, let's not go there. Okay. They were following me to Spain. Definitely. 4. Something's been happening. I have been investing for years. I have been teaching for 2 years. I have been recording videos for months. I've been recording videos for 5 months now. 5 months of uploading videos. From. Where someone's from. She is from Mexico. Mexico? She's come from Mexico. I am from Wolverhampton. I have come from Wolverhampton. I am not from Egypt. I have been to Egypt, but I'm not from Egypt. I am from Europe. I'm from Europe. Europe? I'm from there. I have come from Europe. I have come from Earth. Ah. Yeah. From or to. He is going from Canada to Spain. I am going from Wolverhampton to Switzerland. You are going from Colombia to Mexico City. I am going from Wolverhampton to Libya. Or I am going from Tripoli to Russia. Inside something. There is plenty of knowledge in my brain. There is plenty of people there is plenty of paper in the printer. Plenty of paper. There is plenty of knowledge in a book. There is plenty of opportunity in the world. In the world. Yeah. In front of. You've got this thing, you're in front of it. I am standing in front of my whiteboard while sitting in front of it. I am sat in front of my computer. I am sat, at the front. I am in front of you teaching you English. I'm in front of you. I'm in front of you in the queue for food. Move out the way. Instead of. This or that. Can you have pasta instead of curry? If not this, then how about this instead? Could you learn English instead of Navajo? Could you learn Russian? Not Russian. Oh yeah. Could you learn Russian instead of Arabic? Oh, Russian or Arabic instead of. So like. This thing, it tastes like sugar, yet it isn't. It looks like my hand, yet it is. It looks really difficult, the book. Wow. It looks like a challenge. A challenge. It looks really difficult. It looks like it'll take a long time. It might do. It looks like it's going to be tiring. It looks like another one of those nights. Oh. It looks like she's crying. It looks like she's crying. I don't know why. Near. I am near the bookshelf and the whiteboard. I'm near my window. Yeah. I'm near them. I am near the wall. We could say next to. I am next to. Right next to. I'm next to my mouse. Whoops. I'm next to my mouse. I'm next to a wall. I'm near a whiteboard. I'm near a whiteboard and bookshelf. But I'm next to the wall. I'm next to the desk. Yeah. I am on to you. On. My book is on the bookshelf, but I am on to you. Or even then say, I am on top of the world. On top of. On top of the world. The book is on top of the bookshelf, at the very top. I am on top of the hill. I'm on top of the hill. I'm on top of the problem. Don't you worry. I'm on top of it. Don't you worry. Over. Over. The party is over. Go home. It's over. It's finished. It's ended. No more. It's over. When the video is over, watch another video. Or when the party is over, go home. Past. You can see how different the past is compared to today. The past. In the past, we didn't have internet. In the past, things were so different. In the past, going back far enough, there was no cars. There were no cars in the past. Regarding, like concerning or about. I am talking to you regarding prepositions. It's about relating to. I've been going to London regarding setting up an account with a Canadian brokerage regarding business. Concerning, it's concerned with business. I am teaching English. I am teaching an English subject regarding prepositions. Prepositions. I have been teaching English since October 2017. Yeah, 2 years. 2 years. Wow. I have been teaching since 2017. I have been in Wolverhampton since 2010. I have been, I don't know, I've been recording since 11:45. There's been a strange noise since just now. Oh, someone's hammering. Yeah. Thanks to that noise, thank you. I'm now distracted. Thanks a lot. Oh. I started teaching thanks to an American teacher in Chile. Thanks to him, thank you. I got the idea to teach. Yes. Thanks to me, you're going to learn more English. Ah. So through. Should we walk through the shopping centre? Through. I'm going to go through the mountain in a tunnel. I'm going to walk through the field, not around. Through the field. Through. Yeah. Or throughout. Throughout, everywhere. I have been searching throughout my house for the book. I've been searching throughout the world for that book. I couldn't find it. I have been searching throughout England for the answer. Yeah. 2. When am I going to Mexico? When am I going to learn more Spanish? When am I going to Switzerland? When am I going to Denmark? Are you going to talk to her? Are you going to come to the party? Are you going to go to Gibraltar? And toward. Towards. Like you're standing here. Towards. Towards. He is walking towards the library. She is walking towards us. They are walking towards them. They are walking towards the pub. He is walking towards the park. She is walking towards the house with her dog. Towards. We are walking. Where are we going? Where are we going? We are walking towards the pub. Yeah, towards the party. Towards the cinema. We're driving towards London. Which way? Towards Scotland. Towards Scotland. That way. Pretty cool. Unlike. You see, unlike you, I'm talking and you're listening. Not like not equal to. Like, not equal to. Not equal to. See, unlike you, I can speak English. Unlike me, you can speak a different language. Unlike most people, they're not subscribers. Unlike her, I'm a man. Unlike her, I can sit and record videos. But unlike her, I can't do what she can do. Yeah. Until. So something's happening, and then that thing that stops. Until. I am going to learn Spanish until. I don't know, until I master it. I am going to record this video until I finish all the subjects. I'm going to talk to you until this video is finished. I am going to relax until, after work. Underneath. I'm going to search underneath the bed. I'm going to clean under the sofa. I'm going under the sea and swimming. Underneath something and under the bed. Under the bed. Underneath the bed. Yeah. With. You will come here with me. You will go with me to Mexico. She will come with me to Sheffield. The dog digs with its paws. The cat purrs. Purrs. Purrs with its mouth, its throat. Within. The treasure is within the treasure chest. Inside something, a box or a locker. I am with. You can find the sat-nav within my car. I'm going to be within the house, inside the house all day. I'm going to be within. I'm going to be within the prison. No. The apples are within the box. I came here without a toothbrush. Without. I haven't got one. I almost came here without my watch. Without. I'm going to be without. Soon. Without. Well, I'm going to be without glasses. In the future. Maybe. Without. Yeah. Cool. So, those are some pretty nice prepositions. How cool is that? But keep learning English, keep going, and see you soon. Bye for now.